Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with Essentials and the first actions. Open Play Store and update Messenger, then go to Settings right arrow, Apps right arrow Messenger to confirm permissions. Once done, disable battery optimization for Messenger so Android won't suspend notifications. This prevents delayed delivery. Make sure background data is allowed and mobile data access is on to receive push messages even when idle. These steps fix the common causes and prepare the app for deeper troubleshooting if delays persist. Now you'll tune notification channels and system priorities. Open Messenger settings right arrow notifications and set message and call channels to high importance so notifications interrupt. Then go to Android Sound and Notification, right arrow Do Not Disturb and add Messenger as an exception. This guarantees alerts during DND. If notifications still lag, clear Messenger cache and app info. Corrupt channels often cause delay. If needed, uninstall and reinstall to rebuild notification channels. This resets state and often resolves lingering delivery issues. Finish by validating network and sync. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out an ISP issue and run a quick app refresh or ping to test latency. Sign out of Messenger and sign back in to force sync. Make sure sync and background refresh are enabled. Restart your phone to apply changes system-wide. If notifications remain late, one key troubleshooting tip is to check with your carrier or router firewall. Some networks block push ports, causing delayed delivery, so test on another network to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.